Where's the disco ball at? Let's go.
In the land of digital gold, TA with T.I. Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy Network, the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy, that's where it's at. Piper Academy. This is the Trade Academy portion of the Piper Academy Network. Starting in 3, 2, and 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. How can you make money when everything is going down? We have a flash crash. We have a black swan event. Possible. But everything that goes down should come up. Everything that goes up should come down. Let's just see when it comes up. That's going to be the trick. And how do we identify that? We can do it on a smaller time frame, higher risk, or a larger time frame, which is safer. We're going to go over that in just a moment. But before doing so, let's look at the crypto bubbles. We have IP down 28%. 28%. Well, as I mentioned earlier, what goes up will come down. IP has been going up like crazy past, 2 days? And now it's retracing. It's expected. We have JTO up 12.7% on the daily. Let's go to the hourly time frame. We have IP up 5.8%. There's a lot of people buying and making some money on this one. Not for me, though. Not for me. I do want to give a special shout out to everybody in the chat right now. We have Mike. Mike was first. Mike was first. Thank you, Mike, for being here. Appreciate you greatly. Not sure why you're way up here, though. Let's go ahead and move you down here. All right. All right, so let's see here. Who else do we have? We have Jesse. Jesse comes in a close second. Thank you, Jesse, for being here. You're the best. You're the best. We got Robert in third. Robert in third. Appreciate you, man, for being here. So special shout out to the top three people coming to the chat. Mike, Jesse, and Robert. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys are great. You guys are great. Let's see here. We have Average Joe Crypto. Just missed it. Just missed it. See, do you think the flash crash is because? Yes, 100%. Any reason that the pretty much market makers could kind of like use anything as a catalyst, they're going to use it. And in my opinion, this is perfect. I think it was 1.4 billion that was taken from, what was it taken from? I already forgot. It wasn't Bit though. See, I posted it in my group, Bybit, yeah. So I think they're just going to use anything they can. And of course, people start seeing that and they freak out and they start selling. And then, it just starts going down, Now, the benefit of this is, well, you can catch these at a discount price. If there's a particular coin that you like, whether it's Tau or Litecoin or Link or just any coin, BNB, and you have conviction in these coins, right now you can get them at a pretty nice discount. So that's my thought process on that. We have Alexander G, the hardest working mod. People say that all the time, but man, it is so true. Literally the hardest working mod admin in the space. Now, of course, we have a lot of other very talented admins, and they put in their work as well. So I want to thank everybody who is contributing to the Piper Academy Network and just in crypto in general, period. Let's see here. Good afternoon. Okay. Very good. See, we got All Set in the house. Thank you, All Set, for being here. Thank you so much. And let's see here. Let's VC Port Corp in the house. What's up, peeps? What's going on, man? What's going on? All right, so we're gonna be looking at what a day for shorting. Yeah. So for me, in my opinion, like these already moved. I can't enter shorts right now. Let's go and look at the this, just because of this, the bounce. And if we were looking at this, it woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's what it comes down to. The woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Here's on the 5-minute time frame. Here's a little drop. Here's another drop. But then, I mean, they're bouncing. So virtuals, same thing. Do you want to short right now? I mean, the market's not great, but we may get a bounce. Same thing with BNB. Came down and now possibly bouncing up. Right now I'm looking at Ethereum, bouncing up. I'm trying to catch this bounce up. And I've been trading a little bit right now. It's still underneath my 9 SMA. I traded it here, and then I got it out here. And I traded it here, and then I got out here. Again, I use the 9 SMA. And I'm just looking for that bounce. And now the safer move would be to break 26.55. And here he goes. Let's go. Come on, bounce. That'd be real nice. And of course, I'm doing high leverage. So this little move, it's a lot. Now, granted, I'm using very little money because, again, I do have my little challenge that I'm doing. Let's see here. Going to the list, we got K Diggity in the house. What's up, my man? What is up? Let's see here. All set. Okay, going to the list. Let's see here. Yeah, man. Once it broke, I had to flip short. Smart. Very smart. We're all on to you, Jesse. We are all on to you. K Diggity confirms my analysis that I've done. And due to my detective work, I have confirmed in my own mind that Jesse and username are the same person. And K Diggity right now says Jesse has 2 mod accounts because he's also a username. I concur. I concur. See, Buck says, let's find some rides. Let's go. Let's go. So right now, I want to enter a short or long, whatever we can find. So let's do it, guys. Let's play some leverage. Let's do some degenning stuff. I do like doing that. All right, let's see here. BC4 Corp says, I called the top side rejection this morning. I got in halfway because I had some morning and forgot to set my limit before I left the house. Ouch. Pepper totally called it this morning. He said there was going to be a downside today. There you go. There you go. Oops, we're having the same IP address. Oh. Jesse, he's a smart guy. So he knows to spoof his IP address to make it look like his username. I know. See here. I missed the short this morning because I was being a little scared. Possible. Or just safe. You don't have to be in the shorts all the time. All right, here we go. So let's look at this. I really want to get into a long. I want to try to front run a long. Look at this one. Solana, it went up and boop. Virtuals, 5-minute time frame. Ooh, lots of sell pressure. Ouch. Let's see here. ETH, 5-minute time frame. Getting rejected off of around 9. We'll see. Kelly says, I was sleeping. We'll see. Let's see here. So any coins, questions, comments, concerns, issues? Before doing so, definitely smash the like. And then, of course, you've been trading nonstop. Yeah, I like doing it. I'll trade and then like everything needs to reset. So then I'll try to front run and then that's when I get hurt. Because there's so many great opportunities. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Broke my VWAP, but I wasn't paying attention to this. I was doing other stuff for my group, and then of course research and everything else. And it's like, oh man, moved too much. So now I'm trying to catch the bounce, and crossing the 9 SMA is the first part of the bounce because it's a moving average. So if our price action is above the moving average, well, then it's potentially the start of coming up. But then it can always come down. So the more moving averages it crosses, the stronger the move. I mean, it just makes sense. I mean, because that means the price is going up. And then we need to cross this. Well, let's go. Let's go. But I do want to get to I want to get to a trade. All right. So let's look at this on the daily time frame. Zoom out. Zoom out. Let's see what we got. All right. So on the daily time frame, oh yeah, I hit everything else that I was doing. Let's go ahead and just delete this. And it came all the way to the 786. Man, right to it too. Wow. But same thing, you know, we're still having our highs are lower. High, lower high, lower high, lower high. We still need to start, you know, continuing to break our highs. And the high that we needed to break was this one. And of course, can't see it because, well, we have all this stuff right here. But 98,871. We need to break this because this was our liquidity zone, sell pressure zone. I came up here and I was thinking it was going to come down, but then it went up. It went up, created this new high with the wick, and then started coming down. And then, of course, just boop, dump city. Ah, man. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I would have still hit on my trade, my short. Oh, so here. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Okay. So here to accept gifts. So you click on the join, then more, gift settings, confirm you would like to opt in to turning on the allow gifts. Go. See here. PI. Praying. I didn't short that one. I haven't really looked at that one. See here. Oh, I think he meant I was trading too much. Oh, probably. Here. I definitely did, yes. The exact level, Joe. Yeah. So, again, complete sentences. The 786 on Bitcoin went to the exact level. BC, you mean the Pi network? I'm pretty sure he does. So here, man, it went right to it. And potentially, let's see if we're going up. Right now, it looks like it wants to. I thought earlier today, I thought we were going to get a bounce here. You know, we had our VWAP, we have everything else. And then came down here. It's like, okay, fine, it'll bounce on the 0.5. This will be a really nice area. You know, we have nice volume and everything. And then it said, nope, going down. Broke. I mean, nothing on in the golden pocket. No support, no nothing. It just boop, came on right down. And now it's looking like we might be able to do a long. Possible. It looks like it wants to. Let's look at Ethereum. I really want to catch Ethereum. Nope, Ethereum's not ready. BNB, 5 minute. Needs to break this level. It's getting close. It's getting close. It's above the 9 SMA and the 30, and the 9 SMA crossed over the 30. So that's looking good. Virtuals, no. That was way too dangerous. This one, I was trading this one earlier. I tried to catch it here. And it went down, came up, and then boop. Now I think it's ready. I think CAS is ready. Breaking above this level. I think I'm going to try for CAS. For a long. What do y'all think? Yes or no? Yes or no for CAS for long? This one to me looks like the best one. I broke this level. It's above here. Bitcoin coming up. I think CAS was going to be our best one. This one, Soul's ban was bad. Let me know, guys. Right now we have $30. $30 in the account. And let's go to, I wanted to do BNB, but looks like we're going to do Caspa. Let me know if we should take this trade, yes or no. And we're going to do 88x leverage. Don't try this at home. Do not try this at home. Okay, so I put it in the thing. And let's see how fast we can lose it. So boring. So boring. But after this one, we'll do reasonable leverage, like a 10x or something. Yeah. So the reason I entered right now, let's see. It is above this level. It's above our 9 SMA and our 30 SMA. Granted, we're still far away from our VWAP, but hopefully we can go up, down, up, get to that area, and we'll see. Ooh, I might have to close it. I don't want to lose $1. I should put I like watching it and just slamming it on the close. But let's see here. See if I can catch up on some of this chats. Okay. Yeah, missed a bunch of amazing shorts. Ooh, I don't like that red. I don't want to lose more than 50 cents. I'm going to have to close it out already. I thought for sure it was going to start going. Let's see, the Pi Network launched such a crazy high market cap. I mean, KYC verified, very good. See, and have them locked up for 1 year. Yeah, I'll be looking for long somewhere around here. We got to go in pocket, bounce right now. Nice. Link is playing. Oh, I haven't looked at Link. Link is playing with your emotions. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm going to have to close this one out and change the leverage. See here, been around. Jesse has a whole bunch of pine. Okay. All right. Very good. Let's see. Can we hold out? Or just close it and do reasonable leverage? I was trading that with, what was I trading that? ETH and Bitcoin. And like as soon as it crossed, boop, I get in and then I get out. Because it would go to my 30 SMA, 90 cents. Liquidation alert. Go up. You know what? I'm gonna put some more money in it. Oh no, I gotta close it. Oh, I gotta close it. I was gonna put some more money in it to see if we get a bounce of this 9 SMA, but it was already gonna liquidate. So let me change this. Let's do some reasonable. We'll do 18. Do some reasonable leverage. But let's see here. So right now I'm looking for a bounce. And then what I'll do is I'll just enter it here once it's a little safer. And what I'm trying to do is trying to catch the run up. This one is very high. So let me show you. This one's extremely high risk. Nope, wrong one. Caspa. So we're looking at this one earlier today. 4 hour. Let's get rid of all this shit. So we're looking at this. Man, this looks ugly. And you know, we saw this. We saw it right here, and this will be a really nice area for it to bounce. you know, we have this really nice support, and we're trying to get this level, and it actually came down to, you know, about 1% more than what we're looking at. And now potentially, if nothing else, I mean, it could come up and then continue doing lower highs. And so everything could be great, but then the market could just change. And that's what we just saw today. We saw that market. Saw that market, and it was not good. And everything started coming down. Yeah, it's nothing's looking good right now. And it's too late for shorts, in my opinion. Because everything already had a really nice move. So Ethereum, I don't know. See here, I'm only taking tiny trades right now. Yeah. Yeah, all this, I mean, it's really it's tough. It's really tough. And then of course using leverage, well then you just magnify it. And then if you use dumb leverage like I do, well on that trade anyway, 88. I mean, it just needs to move 1%, just barely a little down, and you're done. But man, I'm looking for this bounce. And here's the thing too. I mean, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Yeah, and right now, and there's really nothing. Like I said, I want to short. I mean, the market could bounce at any moment. We see BNB right now, 5-minute time frame. So right now it's crossed above my 9. Price action is currently above this. And this is on the 382. Now, if you trade it with these with lower leverage, I mean, that's so much better and easier because you can put a 3x leverage, 5x leverage, which is much easier than what I'm, you know, because like with me, like I got to get out. I got to get out fast and just see what's going on. So yeah, definitely got a special like. I appreciate it greatly. Yeah, third time's a charm. Let's go. Yeah, try to take a trade today, got stopped out. So I think BNB right now. What was the other one that I said? Oh yeah, CAS. But this one, it turned right away as soon as we got in, and look, it broke this level. We have a higher low. It broke this level, and it's above our 9 SMA, above our 30, broke above our 50, and then bloop. So it needs to break above this. See if we can catch the bottom. So we're looking at CAS. We're looking at BNB. But we're not going to do dumb leverage. Virtuals. Lots of selling pressure, though. Jupiter, CAS. So here's CAS. Need to break above that. Ethereum. Man, it's horrible. And for me, it's way too late. Like it broke this level over here once it refreshes. It broke this level. Price underneath the 9 and this, and then this is where we take it. And right now we're so far away from this. Bitcoin. Retro Mike says, lots of selling pressure. Short it, Joe. Short it. Possible. Bitcoin is boring. I like trading Bitcoin. So virtuals. Everything looks tough right now. Like here, you would think it's going to bounce up. And I was trading this one last night. I think I got in. I think I got in somewhere here. And it ran up really good and it started coming down. But I had very, very little money in it. And I'm expecting it to come down. And I didn't catch any of this. And that's where I was thinking it was going to come down to after this nice run up. Well, I thought it was going to come down here. Jesse says, look. Okay. So that's what Jesse says. This to me says, Joe, look. Look at what? One day, Jesse, you will do complete sentences. One day. One day. Well, Joe, if you just look at the chat when you're charting, I can't do that. Why else would you like that? Virtuals. Virtuals, are you really going to go down? $4. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that too. Korea Sublime. We're all going to eat ramen together. Man, I'm going to have to ration my ramen. Good Lord. Man, I thought for sure virtual was going to start coming up last night. Right now, not looking so good. Ethereum still looking bad. And with these, they move so much already that like I would have to do higher leverage. Short time, just a couple minutes. But then it could easily flip on you. And then, well, you're losing trade after trade after trade after trade. So you call me crazy, but I took a small short on Pine. Oh yeah, I never looked at Pine. Let's look at Pine. I looked at it. The Bitcoin dominance pumped. Let's check it out. Bitcoin dominance. Daily. I wouldn't say it pumped. But we are sitting at 61.37. And let's look at Pi. XRP is bouncing. Pi, USDT, XC, 1 hour. $15 minutes. Broke our level. 5 minute. Broke our level. It's not looking good. Birch is not looking good. What time frame is that? Oh, it doesn't matter. Fine. USD to this. Let's go 5 minute. So right now, price actions underneath are 9 SMA and our VWAP. Now this one, how much did this move? That's a lot of percentage. So this right here tells me I cannot trade with no 80x leverage. This is what we can do, 10x leverage. Because this little move right here, 6%. So we can do 10. Let's see if it comes up here, gets rejected. ETH. Alexander G says, your ribs are done. Ribs. I'm actually having steak for lunch. Yum, yum. I shouldn't, though. I should have ramen. Ramen with steak. Yeah, just ramen. See, Virtual's pumped so hard yesterday. Looked like it come back for a minute. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. 70% drawdown on Doge. What? Virtual's coming down more and more each day. Disheartening. I feel you. Feel you. And when you think it can't get any worse, well, then there's a $2.4 billion hack taking down the entire market. Telling you. Steak even better. Yes, indeed. So Ethereum, still nothing. Cash, still waiting. It's very dangerous right now doing longs. Very dangerous. 5 minute. Let's go to a 1 minute. Getting rejected. What percentage is this? Man, 5%. That little move is 5%. That's ridiculous. I didn't check virtuals last couple of days. What's the price at? Virtuals is 1.166. That's virtuals. There you go. Man with the plan. Retro Mike. Retro Mike says, ramen costs money. I'm just having water. So I can buy the dip and upgrade to my $14 portfolio to 15. Dude, I had $14 portfolio. Now I'm down to like 12. Took a little hit. Yes, indeed. Retro Mike. Tell you what, man, that $14 portfolio, it's something else. Oof. It's taking a hit right now. B&B not looking so hot. Solana Still Ethereum, Jupiter was looking good. Gas was trying to look good. High, price and everybody coming up. Bitcoin, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Medium rare. That's mine right there. Medium rare. If I can at least make my money back in virtuals, I will sell so fast. Yeah. And virtuals, man, it was an absolute beast. Virtuals and AI16Z, they were absolute beast. Let's see here. Nice. Be right back. Yeah, no kidding. 15 cents. Yeah. Now they're what? 3 for $1? Maybe 2 for $1? It's crazy. I love sauteed onions. Man, I can do that all day. French toaster says water and a side of ice cubes. That's all he's getting. Going down the list. Going down the list. Going down the list. See here. Let's see. If you want to feel better about virtuals, look at all-time chart ETH. Yeah, I saw that earlier. BlackRock pumps and dumps. Yep, very true. So let us look at Pi again. Okay, can we enter Pi now? See here, we're on the 5-minute time frame. My stop loss would have to be like literally above this. Copy. Okay, 10x for the short. And I'm just looking right now. Just looking. Not buying, I'm just looking. It's too risky though. I mean, this is a nice level, too short. I think if I was going to short a coin, it would have to be another one. Just because, you know, this one got listed and, you know, all the shorts already happened. But there's all, for whatever reason, they're trying to pump the, or trying to bring the coin back up. Like here, like you wouldn't expect that much of a move. What was that move? From down here, about 56%. All right. 2 more minutes for the candle to close. That is 80 cents. I don't know. 7 second thoughts on it. Here. How does Jupiter look? Let's look at Jupiter. Jupiter. Not too. I mean, it looked like it wanted to bounce here, and then now we're getting this. So let me hide all of these. Man, let me just delete everything. Get out of here, 43 drawings. Too much. Doing too much. Let's hide this and this. So what I'm doing is I'm just reducing the amount of candles. That way it's a little easier to identify the the levels I'm looking for. Okay, so it's a nice daily support. Right now, it's just underneath support or resistance, just underneath it. Go to a 4-hour. I would not be surprised if I saw this come down to here, and then here, now it's like, what is it going to do? Is it going to come down and travel in here for a little bit? Or is it going to, from here, do this number? Now, the reason I'm thinking more down than up right now, anyway, market, you know, hopefully today we can recover. I would really hate to see us going from being where we're at right now to an even 10, 20, 30% lower. How much did this one drop? From here to here, 10% already. So it comes down to here by another 6%. So it's a 1 hour. And right now it's not even trying to fight, really. He tried here, tried here. He's not really trying to fight. 15-minute. Pretty confident that it's going to close underneath the 0.7582 price. Anything can happen. I mean, it could bounce here and then all the coins go to $100 million. So here. I need that good steak. Reading on the list, going on the list. JTO, yeah, definitely. Let's go and look at JTO. See. Four-hour. Why did I do this on the daily? Let me get rid of all this. Look at the daily. Man, this one is really wishy-washy. It creates ranges and then another range. This one I definitely have to find out the market cap. So JTO. Wow, I would think it would be a less market cap than that. Lower market cap rather. JTO. Some Binance, some big exchanges. Lots of trading volume. DeFi. I was surprised. I thought it was going to be a much lower market cap. Just due to all this. Because we have what we can call it. I really don't want to put that in the range. It moves to it. So it moves up, and then it pretty much takes it almost all back. Then it moves up, and then it took maybe a third back. Then it moved up, took it all back, and then it took this back. And then every move up takes it all back. Moved up, took it pretty much all back. I'll be honest, I don't like the coin. I don't like the price action. So right now we're right in this zone. We're right in the middle. What's the percentage? About 40%. Man, lots of wicks. I mean, the wicks aren't too bad. I don't like it. I don't like the price action. I don't like how the candles move. Size of the candles. And look at all of this. Nice retracement. I mean, if it's going to bounce, it's going to bounce right now. We have this level right here. That's if it's going to bounce. We did a fib retracement. And go from here. Right now we're sitting right in the golden pocket. So if it was going to bounce, now's the time. Let's go 1 hour. See, and here's another reason I don't like it. Look at these candles. How they're really, really small. Really small. And then boom. I mean, personally, I don't like coins like this, but it pulled back, came up, came back down here. Good for trading the range. I mean, it's doing a nice range, but I mean, I don't believe the volume that's being put on that website. But no, you have a good point. I mean, it's in a range. It's actually in a very nice range. And that's the first thing I saw when I'm looking at this. You know, we have a range here, we have a range here, we have a range here. 1 hour. You got to be really patient with this coin, though. I was gonna say I don't think it'll come down to here, because this will be a really nice buy area. I don't know if we'll get lucky enough for it to come down here. $156 or 2.566. I don't know if it'll come down this low. I really do hope it bounces. Bounces, breaks above this, and then now start a new range. And the range is roughly about 40%. This range was roughly around 20%. This range was roughly around 50%. So you're averaging about 40% per range. So if it breaks above this level, we're looking at potentially maybe up to here. Oh, that's only 30. So we're looking at something like this, possible. But in a range. You know what I mean? This one's. Let me look at the other breakouts. So here, so it went up, pulled back, and then broke it. So it didn't come all the way back down again after this nice run up. And what I like doing is I like looking at the previously what it's done. So if we can stay in this golden pocket for at least, I want to say, what, a day? Go from here. Oh, a week. To me, this one's a tough one. I don't know why it's so tough. But you know, most people right now say, "Oh, it's a golden pocket. You buy in the golden pocket." It's just all this other price action and the size of the candles. It's messing me up. It's not giving me confidence in this coin. Now, if we had larger candles, and just like this move, how it's doing nothing, doing nothing, doing nothing, the candle goes down a little bit, then comes up, goes back into this range, then drops. Like, this looks very fishy to me. Like, all of the price action, every bit of this price action on JTO looks very fishy to me. So because of, like, even though there's market structure, for me, it's not market structure. It's I want to say it's like these lower market cap coins I see that have bots, and they just trade buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and then somebody sells because they bought down here or wherever. I know I'm on this one way too long already. All right, so let's wrap this one up. So I would set an alert here. Set an alert right there. I would also set an alert down here in case it comes down. Adjustment thought. Sorry it took so long on this one. I just don't like it for all those reasons I provided. Let's see here. Jesse says, JTO looks great. Yeah, some people, they'll say it looks great. For me, I don't like it. Just because of all the stuff I said. See here. Jesse, it really does. Not buying just yet. For me, I vote no, but I've been wrong before. Same with grass. Okay. Gotta go. Not a problem. Yeah, I gotta leave as well in about 5 minutes. Give you all a heads up. Today's gonna be a quick show. I'll give you all a heads up. See here. I'm gonna keep my JTO thoughts to myself. This chat makes me hungry. Yes, I agree. Thinking about steak and pot roast barbecue. Man, I haven't had pot roast in a long time. On the list. Joe, JTO is a governance token for JTIO. Don't go to the website. It'll show you it's worth this. Yeah, I didn't even. Once I saw that it was, I forgot what tags it were at, but I was like, no, I'm gonna do it. I'm waste my time. See, they basically just want people to stake their governance token for voting. Yeah, to me, I don't like those coins because there's no purpose. Voting for what? So we can burn tokens? Just burn the tokens. Voting for what? So we can increase the staking. Just increase the staking. You know? JTO actually looks good for trading the range. Okay, we went over that. See, was JTO that coin that was supposed to be really bullish because they did that big airdrop or something? I forgot. See, pumped hard, positive news. Okay. Hey, we got Lunchable Connoisseur. What's up, my man? Appreciate you for being here. Everybody, please smash the like. It does help support the channel. So yeah, I have a little bit of juice. Oh yeah. Let's kind of look at these really quick. And not too exciting. Let's go look at our pie. Nothing too exciting. Cass. Starting to maybe. I think I'm trying to. Maybe. Not looking good. BNB's looking good or better. Above the 50, above the 9, above the 30. Far away. BNB. So, virtuals. Nothing good. Kind of wanted to do a trade, but nothing. It's all extremely risky. I think BNB is the only broke this level above the 9, above the 50, above the 30. Larger market cap, move slower, safer. I don't know, probably set this one up. Let's see here. Other than Ray, Solana, Dex, I've had bad luck with this. Okay. I was looking at the weekly on Bitcoin. With this new move, I'm looking to touch the bottom at 92.5 again. Is that a valid idea? Even though you say the weekly, I want to see more ups and downs, so I go to the daily. And you say 92.5, 92.5 around this area. Let me clear all this stuff. Shift. Find. Okay. So you're saying 92.5? 92.5. Just to get this liquidity? So for the support right here, yeah, I mean, we're already breaking this level. So we just kind of look at it. We can actually do this. Oh, we'll do this one. So we have 92.5 on the daily. Here's support. We're already breaking this support, which is not good. 95.6. We're breaking that currently right now. Go in the 4-hour time frame. And I mean, it already came down here. I don't see why it wouldn't at least come down here. Maybe that. I don't know. I don't want to see it going to 925. I really don't. On the daily time frame, I really don't see anything stopping it from going that low. There's no like support areas, or it's just all liquidity. Market makers would love to go and just clear those out. Man, this bull run is way different than I thought. Way different. Let's see here. JTO is a top 100 coin, isn't it? I know it's really popular. Really? See, my dad just texted me a photo of $7,500 bottle of bourbon. Any takers? Well, that says Mexican money. No, I'll play. Yeah, but I don't see why I won't come take this. And then hopefully it bounces. And don't want to think about it. There you go. 5,000 motivated sellers. Yes, the bottle is still available. Don't ask me if it's still available. The whole market cap of virtuals. Ouch. See, CJ says, I think Bitcoin makes a higher low. I hope so. I really do. 89K. I'm afraid of that, man. I mean, like the past few like weeks, it's like, oh, you know, we're doing higher low and then come up here and this, that, and the days go on and on and on. It's like, come on already. Like here, yes, we know that we're gonna have to do a retrace. We know this. Then we did awesome, had a level here, broke the level, great. We need a higher low, didn't do it. Crap. Then we broke the level, awesome. We know we're gonna retrace to about here would be nice to continue the upward momentum. What happens? Come down even lower, and now we're stuck here. So I have capital ready and have no clue when to buy. The dusty hands. Yeah. See, and that's tricky too, because right now a lot of coins are on discount. So you could start DCAing into these coins, but what's not to say that, because I mean, right now it's like, what can get worse? I mean, and then you have a big old multi-billion-dollar hack. And then what next week? What? You know, something happens with the economy. It's just discounts all day. Discounts all day. Yep. Yep. Very true. All right, guys. That's it for me. I have to go early today. I do thank you very much. Of course, well, today's Friday. I'm pretty sure I'll go live tonight on my channel at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to check it out, go for it. It's a Trade Intuition, 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I do thank you guys very much. Today, you know, we had, well, we saw we had highs coming up. Gas, JTO, Ethereum. Market's not great right now. BNB is the only strong one, in my opinion, or stronger than all these other ones. And it's really difficult right now. So be safe, guys. I do thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, let's make this money. Take care, guys. All right. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you. Adios, people.